If you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you want to make a little bit more money, you work a 9 to 5 job, and you might be skeptical and think that everybody who ever tells you how to make money on the internet is running a scam or trying to sell you something. Hopefully this video can change your mind about that, because I'm basically just going to tell you what I did on the internet that helps make me thousands of dollars a month, and I don't really have an ulterior motive here beyond wanting you to watch my other videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for those of you who are uninitiated, there are a lot of people who use their YouTube channel or their podcast or even their blog where they write articles to make hundreds of dollars a day in affiliate marketing, and it's passive income because they're doing the work up front, and even 6 months or a year, as long as what they're talking about is relevant to somebody, they're still making money. There are YouTube videos on this channel that still make me money, not only on ads, but literally because they sell products, whether it's affiliate products for someone else or something that I made. And that's what I want to teach you about today, how to use your content on the internet using free platforms and social media to make hundreds of dollars a day selling somebody else's product. That's what affiliate market is, and we're going to go through it step by step. So if you're into that, keep watching this video. If not, I'll catch you on the next one. Let's get into it. Hey everybody, this is Roberto Blake, helping you create something awesome today. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Roberto Blake. A lot of people know me in the YouTube space. I'm a creative entrepreneur. I'm a public speaker at events like Social Media Marketing World and VidCon. And today I want to talk to you about one of the ways that I make passive income online. I've done a couple of videos about this, teaching people different methods, whether it's selling your own digital product, an online course. But today I want to focus specifically on affiliate marketing, because it's probably the most accessible thing to the far majority of you, even if you have a 9 to 5 job. It might sound absurd, but it's actually very reasonable to make an extra $100 a day in passive income if you do it right. It's not something that just anybody can do overnight. Yes, you will have to learn how to market yourself, create content, and build an audience. If you are not ready and prepared to learn new skills, leverage social media platforms, and build an audience that can help you make that extra money, give you a little bit of side income away from the day job, a little bit more financial freedom, that's something, it requires work. It's not for people who are lazy. It's not for people who want to do get rich quick schemes. It's not for people like that. So if that's someone you identify as, you need to click off of this video right now. If you're ready to do the work and reap benefit from it over and over again later, stay tuned. Let's cut to the chase on the good part. $100 a day. Do you know why you can make $100 a day with affiliate marketing? There are programs out there where companies sell a product and the commission on the sale for that product is so good that it's either $100 up front for those commission sales, or it's something like $50 or $30, which means you have to make between 1 and 3 sales to get close to $100. And there are plenty of them out there. I'll give you some examples right now. With Bluehost, I think it starts out at 50. I'm at a higher tier to where I do 85 a sale because I can talk about building websites. There are a lot of people who are starting online businesses. I can give them tutorials and training, and then I've worked it out to where I can also offer a discount to anybody who uses my affiliate link for that particular thing. So for me, one sale with Bluehost, $85 commissions. That's pretty straightforward. Epidemic Sounds. I'm a YouTuber. So I have a lot of people who watch some of my videos about how to grow on YouTube. Every time someone does a 30-day free trial with Epidemic Sounds, that is a $30 commission for me just for giving them the link of how to use the same background music that you're hearing now in my video, how they can use royalty-free background music on their YouTube video. The value that I'm providing to people is they know about a resource that they didn't know about before to replicate the success or results that I have. It's basically just being a resource for people and giving them some kind of value for something they would probably buy on their own anyway. The difference is you get a commission. When I was a kid, I loved selling things. Even when I made no money at it, I was the kind of kid that would go into Walmart and would see how many electronics I could sell, and I would actually try to outsell the salespeople on the floor just because I could. As a teenager, I did this with Best Buy. I really had that much of a passion for salespersonship and the gift of gab, and just knowing that I was useful, because I think that psychologically I validate myself by how useful I am to other people. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but it's been a very profitable thing to think of myself in that way. Now imagine if that entire time, because I was helping sell a product for a company, they had been giving me a commission. Now, for a lot of people, they're in situations where they get a salary and they get a commission when they sell. The difference with affiliate marketing is this: you're just signing up and putting in your email address and your payment information, and then you can be part of the sales force of a company. The good news for them, they don't pay your salary, they don't pay your health care, and they don't have a lot of obligations toward you. The good news for you, there was no barrier to entry, there was really not that much of a vetting process, and you can start making money right away as long as you can hustle and you can sell for them. And you don't have to build a product of your own. Granted, you only get a small portion or a cut of all of the money that they will make on that, but you also don't have to own the platform or have a lot of responsibility for anything going on. That's why affiliate marketing isn't a scam, and that's why it's win-win for a lot of brands and companies. But Roberto, if it's so easy, why doesn't everyone do it? Well, first of all, not everybody is internet or tech savvy. The other thing is, not everyone has an area of expertise or passion. I know, because I was a web designer, about a lot of online products and also the needs of an online business. So since I am an online business owner, I can recommend everything that I use for my business, and the majority of it has affiliate links. Whether it's the conference calls that I set up for my coaching clients with Zoom.us, there's an affiliate link for that. Whether it's the email marketing systems that I use that helps me have my newsletter and also helps me to remarket and sell my courses to the people on my newsletter or my other digital products or services, guess what? There's an affiliate link for that same system that I use. Whether it's the apps that I use for certain projects, whether it's the invoicing system, there is all of these products that I use, and the companies would love for me to advocate for them, and they don't want to have to make that complicated. They want to give me a commission for helping make the sale. I want to make the sale and make some extra money or passive income recommending something I already use every single day. And the average consumer would love to know that somebody's revealing part of their process or giving them tips or advice, and that if it's something you're doing, then they want to do it too, and they were going to spend that money somewhere. You might as well benefit for helping them out. And this is why content marketing, this is why building a podcast, a YouTube channel, a blog, an Instagram page is so valuable, and why it is a big concentration of the content that I do on this YouTube channel is helping you get from 0 followers to 10,000 followers in the platform of your choice. And so you see, the beauty of this is you don't even need a big audience, because it's down to making the one sale. It's down to making the one sale. Now, there are other affiliate programs that do percentage commissions. Primary example is a company called TubeBuddy. I'm a super affiliate with them. I'm also a brand ambassador for them, and they sponsor content on this channel fairly regularly, but I also get a 50% commission recurring on lifetime sales for the YouTube browser plugin called TubeBuddy, which is an amazing deal for me when you think about it. It means that as long as somebody came from this channel and used my tips and advice and then chose to sign up for the product, that 50% of whatever the fees are associated monthly with their account are something that I benefit from for facilitating that relationship. It is a fantastic deal for the company and for me, and it incentivizes loyalty. So if you can find in your niche, whatever it is, products and services that have either percentages and recurring revenue attached to them, or high payout flat rates of $50 or $100 or even higher, then you see it's not unreasonable for you to start making $100 a day in passive income with affiliate marketing. So what do you need to be able to accomplish that? Now that we've set up this framework and now you understand how making the money works and why people will actually click on it and trust your information, let's go to some basic things you need to do right now to get going with affiliate marketing. First of all, you need to identify what niche you're in, and you need to start looking, do research in Google and find out what affiliate programs exist for that niche. Take a look at the brands and the products that you use every day for whatever you're doing, whether you're doing fitness or whether you're doing whatever it is you're doing, and really look at that and then look and do the research and see, do they have an affiliate deal? Type in the name of the brand and type in the words affiliate program in Google, and it's as simple as that, and you'll find results for the affiliate programs in your niche or for a company. It's that easy. You know, most things are usually as simple as Googling them. Many of these affiliate programs will ask if you have a website. You usually should have a website if you want to do affiliate marketing, even if it's not going to be the primary place that you do that. It's more likely for you to be approved. Now, not every website does this, but a lot of them do. Amazon is the easiest place to do affiliate marketing just because even though the percentages are very low, in terms of your commission on the sales. The thing is, they have more products in more variety of categories than anyone else, and it's a brand people trust. But you do usually need a website, and they want to know that you have some decent traffic there in order for them to approve you. Now, sometimes they'll just approve you with your social media accounts. So if you don't have a website, just go ahead and try with your social media accounts. You can always apply again and use your website in the future if you're turned down. So that's one of the things you have to do. Like I said, I have an affiliate link for Bluehost, making the point that, again, affiliate marketing is awesome. So if you need a website, I have an affiliate link for Bluehost, and they give the members of this community a rather large discount. So if you just go to robertoblake.com/Bluehost, or you use my link down below, or use the link here in the info card, guess what? You'll get a massive discount. I'll get a commission. And see, this is how affiliate marketing works. Now, when you have your website and you have your blog set up, usually a WordPress blog, the good news is you can not only put these affiliate links in your post, you do have to disclose them, but you also can make something called a resource page. And a resource page is just a list of everything that you use for your business, and you can have affiliate links for that. So like I said, there's a massive amount of affiliate links that I use day to day in terms of the resources for this YouTube channel. Primary example, BH Photo video links are in the descriptions for all the camera gear. Anyone who wants to produce the quality of content I use, then they'll get the camera gear that is behind this channel, right? Same thing for the podcast. So that's an example of how if you have a platform, whether it's YouTube or podcasting, people want to buy what produced the results that you have, and you're just being a resource and linking to it. So that's what I would start with in terms of, okay, so anyone who does come to my site knows what I'm using and what I have, and if they want it, I get a commission, right? So the other thing I would look at is, can you make content that's helpful and useful to people in your niche that can directly relate to a product that you get an affiliate commission for, or a service? So that's something else you need to think about. Content strategy. I get into that a lot here on the YouTube channel. It's something you might want to subscribe for. Making content in different platforms, if you have the time to do it, is going to be helpful. For many of you, just starting a blog and writing on a weekend, writing 3 or 5 articles to get you started, and then putting out 1 or 2 articles a week, taking only 30 minutes to an hour to write an article, that's going to be a good place for you guys to start. And if you start with high-end affiliate products that have high commissions in your niche, or at least high percentages like 20 or 30 or 50% of whatever the product sale is, then you're closer to making good money every day, making that $100 a day that we talked about very quickly, even with a small audience, if you can get them to be loyal and if you give good information. And again, as long as this piece of content exists, there's an opportunity for it to make you money. By using your other social media links and outlets, whether that's Facebook or starting a Facebook group, starting a Facebook page, Instagram, and putting it in your bio link, or if you get 10,000 subscribers, followers in Instagram, swipe up, you get the link out, or using IGTV, whatever methods you use, doing Twitter, whatever method you use, you can link to this content from your website, get it in front of more eyeballs, and use hashtags and things in social media to get traffic back to your website. And then it's more likely that people will buy something from your affiliate links and you get to make that money. So having content to distribute in social media is actually really practical. And something you guys are underestimating is writing articles, posting them in LinkedIn, and in LinkedIn groups where you have permission, and then getting that traffic back to your website. People who, read those articles and do these things in LinkedIn tend to be more affluent and more willing to spend money on something. Everybody's sleeping on LinkedIn. Big mistake. If you're going to do YouTube content, I would recommend doing tutorials and product demos that showcase why someone should use this, who it's for, and whether it's a good deal or not, and then recommend it. Also, you could always recommend alternatives, do comparison videos versus videos. These are the types of content that usually convert massively in terms of sales. So if you're looking to do big sales with affiliate marketing and you want to do it on YouTube, those visual product demos are a great way to go. Product reviews, comparison videos, absolutely are probably the best funnel for making affiliate revenue from products when you do it on YouTube that way. Whether it's written content with photos or whether it's videos on YouTube, buyer's guides, doing a breakdown of all the things people could buy, especially either during like a holiday or doing based around a certain tech release or back to school. Like the timing of those videos is actually really good for affiliate marketing, and you could do some of your best sales either during back to school, during fall, or during the holidays. I mean, it's a big deal. I've known people to have like, ridiculous $10,000 a month paydays from just hitting the right time with the right content on buyer's guides. One of the things I did successfully back in the day was I did laptop buyer's guides, and this did really well for me in Amazon. Amazon had a cap out of $25 maximum payout on laptops, but there would be these great months where I would do massive commissions because of all these laptop sales. So it's just something to think about. And like I said, if you have no audience, you're like, Roberto, I need an audience to do all these things. Roberto, I don't understand marketing and you need that skill to do all these things. The good news is there's 1,000 free videos here on the YouTube channel that talk about entrepreneurship, marketing, and different social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube, and also how to build a podcast. So if you're saying that you don't know how to do these things, you could always just subscribe to the channel. It's free content. You don't even have to buy a course, and you can learn how to build an audience from zero. You can learn email marketing. You can learn how to do these things, and then you can make a little bit of extra money. It just means you might have to watch a few of my videos instead of whatever is on Netflix, and that's the only price you really have to pay for it: time. And of course, the benefit to me is that I get new views and subscribers, and if you use any of the affiliate links down in the description below, the resources that I've talked about, I of course will benefit from that monetarily. So it's a win-win for everybody, and now you know how affiliate marketing works. So now I think you are ready to get started as long as you are willing to hustle and you realize this will not be an overnight success story. You are in a good position to where this can start making you a little bit of extra income on the side, and you can start to diversify your revenue streams because there is no such thing as job security anymore. And I think that's becoming more and more apparent to a lot of people. I'm not saying you have to quit your day job or you can't want to work a 9-to-5 job, and I'm not trying to shame anybody who has that situation. What I do know is a lot of people are having their circumstances taken out of their hands. I'm seeing people every day tell me that they have lost their job out of nowhere, or that the industry changed and they are scared of being pushed out. They're getting older and maybe the place isn't valuing loyalty and experience anymore, or unfortunately people are having their health push them out of their career field and their job, and they still need money to survive. So what I'm trying to do is I want people that are in that situation to have the information that's going to help them get by or move to the next level and have more financial freedom and more control over their life. So if I've helped you do that today, then I feel like I did a good job, and I feel like my mission is closer to being accomplished. That actually brings me to my question of the day before we close the video. Are you diversifying your revenue streams, or are you relying on just one stream of income? I really want to know this, and I want to understand where my audience is in terms of those things so I can talk about it more, because maybe it's helpful. And if you have questions about passive income, or you still have questions about affiliate marketing, drop those in the comment section too. I'll try to reply to as many of them in the first hour, first day, and first week that this video is up. So it's another good reason to subscribe and hit notifications. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I actually really do dig getting into these topics because I think it's part of what really helped me be successful, is learning how to sell and understanding how digital commerce in the global economy is accessible to almost everybody now. And I just think it's a great thing that gives more people opportunity and gives them a fighting chance. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Share it with a friend. As always, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, go out there and create something awesome today. You might just make a few bucks off of it. Take care.